everybody, Blue here. Just want to talk about a piece of equipment that I don't see a lot of people talking about, and I think it's really important just in everyday life, everyday carry, you know, EDC, and especially important, I feel, to me, and I feel it should be important to you. Sorry about the smoke. I had some wet wood on the fire, so hopefully it doesn't block everything so bad. It's a tourniquet. Not a lot of people I see, you know, on the YouTube and just in general, unless you're a ex-military or something, they're like, hey, you need to carry a tourniquet, you need to carry a tourniquet. And the whole point of carrying a tourniquet is because you're your first responder. If you're in an accident, whether a car out here in the woods, you know, if you accidentally cut yourself or a limb punctures your skin or something and you hit a major artery, you don't have a whole lot of time to get to the hospital, especially if you're out where I'm at. First off, I'm 6 miles off the main road for the driveway to get to this property, and then I'm another quarter mile from my vehicle. So I can't make it, and I don't even know how far the hospital is from here. It's probably another 20 minutes once I get to the main road. So if I've got a major artery cut, yeah, I can call 911 from here. I could call the property owner, but nobody's going to get to me. I usually have about 3 minutes from a major bleed, from everything that I've done and learned, research. I'm not saying I'm a doctor and know everything. I might be wrong. But always carry a tourniquet on you, whether it's, you know, I've got like the cat tourniquet style here. Just carry one on you, know how to use it, know where to put it. I'm not going to try to teach you how to do it because I'm not the subject expert on the whole matter. But it's just a piece of advice. Hey, go out. You're watching this because you want to learn. You have to do research on your own also, because I'm not a doctor. I'm not a medic. I'm not an EMT. But get yourself a tourniquet. And what I have here is, it's from Bushcraft Survival. I'm not sponsored. I have no, other than buying their equipment, it's the only association I have with them. They don't even know me. So what it is they sell a tourniquet. It's actually an inside the waistband holster for the tourniquet. So you can fit it inside your pants, and you've got a tourniquet on you whenever you wear it. So, and it's inside the waistband because of the fact that, just so you don't alert people, they're like, oh, what do you do? You know, blah, 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 blah. Well, you're your own first responder, and you could be your spouse, your friend, anybody. You could be their first responder. You know, if you got children, you're out here with, you know, in the woods with your children, and they cut themselves. You know, so you're their first responder. Just do your research on tourniquets. Check out the tourniquet holder. I wear it on the outside of my waistband when I'm out here. When I started building the shelter, you should be able to see it on there, at least the red tab. It's on my belt. So sometimes I forget it. I've got a tourniquet in my bag, but it's not as good as this one. So, but yeah, just be prepared and carry a tourniquet with you. Have several of them. Keep them in your vehicles. Keep one in your pack. Keep one on you. You know, they're like 30 bucks a piece. Don't buy it. Of course, if you can't buy them all at once, I get it. But, you know, start off with at least one. Learn how to, you know, there's 100 videos on YouTube how to put them together. If you have a doctor friend or a medic or a nurse or somebody, I'm sure they know how to do it. And I've also learned that everything that we know about tourniquets, history-wise, has been from the Civil War. So you're not going to lose a limb by putting a tourniquet on and leaving it on there for an hour or two, you know. So just look into it. It could save your life, you know. Accidents happen. You have to be prepared for them. Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below, even if it's just to say, hey, thanks for the advice, whatever it is. Just, I'll respond to you. Thanks everybody for watching, and remember, enjoy the outside.